In today's fast-paced world, AirPods have become more than just an accessory, they're a lifestyle. They keep us connected to music, podcasts, and calls, making our daily commute, workout sessions, and even household chores more enjoyable. However, with frequent use comes the inevitable buildup of earwax, dust, and debris. In this ultimate guide, we'll walk you through the best methods to clean your AirPods, ensuring they remain hygienic and function at their best. Understanding your AirPods. First things first, let's understand what we're dealing with. Your AirPods consist of the earbuds themselves, complete with speakers and sensors, and the stem that houses the microphone. Keeping these parts clean is crucial for maintaining sound quality and ensuring clear communication during calls. Materials needed for cleaning. Microfiber cloth. Soft bristled brush, like a new clean toothbrush. 70% isopropyl alcohol or AirPods cleaning solution. Cotton swabs or Q-tips. Toothpick or small soft-tipped tool. Cleaning steps. Surface wipe. Start by gently wiping the surface of your AirPods with a dry microfiber cloth. This removes superficial dirt and dust. Brushing the mesh. Using your soft bristled brush, delicately brush the speaker meshes. This helps dislodge trapped earwax and debris. Detailing with cotton swabs. Dip a cotton swab in isopropyl alcohol and wring out excess liquid. Carefully clean around the microphone and sensors. The alcohol helps sanitize and remove stubborn grime. Earwax extraction. If you notice a buildup of earwax, gently use a toothpick or a small tool to scrape it off. Be very gentle to avoid damaging the mesh. Disinfecting. Wipe the AirPods with a cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Be careful to avoid any liquid seeping into the openings. Air drying. Let your AirPods dry completely before using them or placing them back in their case. Cleaning the charging case. 1. Wiping the exterior. Use a microfiber cloth with a bit of isopropyl alcohol to clean the outside of the charging case. 2. Interior cleaning. Gently use a dry cotton swab to clean the charging ports. Avoid using any liquid inside the case. 3. Avoiding moisture. Never use wet cleaning agents inside the charging ports. Regular maintenance tips. Clean your AirPods at least once a week to prevent excessive buildup. After workouts or in humid conditions, ensure your AirPods are dry before storing them. Keep the AirPods in their case when not in use to reduce exposure to dust and debris. What to avoid during cleaning. Never use sharp objects that can puncture the speaker mesh. Avoid submerging your AirPods in any cleaning liquids. Steer clear of abrasive materials that could scratch the surface. Additional tips and advice. Listen to the sound. Regularly check the sound quality of your AirPods. If you notice any changes, it might be time for a thorough cleaning. Replacement of tips. If you use AirPods Pro with silicone tips, consider replacing them if they become discolored or lose their shape. Professional cleaning kits. There are specialized cleaning kits available for AirPods. These can be a good investment if you're looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution. Keeping your AirPods clean is not just about maintaining hygiene, it's about preserving the quality and longevity of your investment. With regular maintenance and careful cleaning, you can ensure your AirPods continue to provide the best audio experience. Cleaning your AirPods involves a careful process of wiping, brushing, and detailing with the right tools and solutions. Regular maintenance, including the cleaning of the charging case, is crucial. By adhering to these guidelines and avoiding harmful practices, you can keep your AirPods in excellent condition, ensuring they always provide the high-quality sound Apple is known for. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.